Elastic Email Review. What is Elastic Email? In this video, we're going to be talking about one of the greatest email marketing platforms out there, and it's called Elastic Email. You can boost your growth with the most affordable email delivery device, and it's absolutely incredible because it can be used to send emails reliably. You can schedule your mails, you can track them, track clicks, and you can receive all-time statistics with it. You can create newsletters to actually enhance your email marketing engagement with beautiful and personalized editorial emails that you can edit yourself. You can grow your audience with connections seamlessly. Okay, you can track your audiences, you can track the work you're doing with them, track the analytics you have with them. Then you can connect via API or SMTP, where you can instantly connect with your tech stack and you can receive 5-star email tag immediately. So scale your business to new heights with products tailored to your needs. You have email marketing where you can fully understand your audience, send personalized newsletters, automate your email communication, and track and analyze the success of your efforts thanks to our marketing product design for faster growth. Okay. Then, if you're to go to the email marketing pricing real quick, because it is a pretty incredible platform, but the pricing matters a lot. So, you can see that first of all, it has a free plan, which is absolutely out of this world. Then you have a starter plan, which is 540, and pro plan, which is $36 per month. So that's pretty incredible. And right now it's on a spring sale, so you can get it right now for a very low price. So yeah, that's the basic idea of Elastic Email. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.